Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the one image you will use and confirming you have admin rights. Once done, open Settings, go to Personalization, Background, Pick Picture, and browse to the local image on C. Choose a fit that matches your monitor, then click Apply. Make sure the file is stored locally. Windows won't reliably use images on mapped drives. If it won't apply, keep this window open. We'll remove cached wallpaper files next to force a fresh load. Now you remove the cached wallpaper artifacts that block changes. Close Settings, open File Explorer and paste %appdata %Microsoft \Windows\themes into the address bar. Delete transcoded wallpaper. JPG and any files in the cached files folder. These are recreatable, so back them up if you want. Next, press Ctrl+Shift+S, find Windows Explorer and restart it, or sign out and sign back. This forces Windows to rebuild the cache and read the image you set earlier. Finish by verifying system-level blockers. Open Services and ensure Themes is running. If the wallpaper still doesn't change, check Group Policy, run gpedit. MSC and look under User Configuration Administrative Templates Desktop for a forced wallpaper. Disable it. You can also run sfc/scano to repair system files. Make sure OneDrive or Windows Sync isn't overriding settings. Temporarily disable sync or sign out to test. If problems persist, sign out, reboot, then reapply the image.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.